مولاي صل وسلم دائما
Online Quran Learning Academy.
على حبيبك خير.
Amid the closure of all schools, madrasas, and Arabic tuitions due to COVID-19 pandemic across the country, here is a great opportunity for all the children, students, men, women, IT professionals, lawyers, engineers to learn and understand the Quran and keen concepts of Islam. Organized by Hafiz Mohammad Raza Fazil, Jamia.
سيد الكونين والثقلين.
Courses offered: Hiffz Qur'an, Tajweed, Noorani, qayeda, Urdu language, daily prayers and Hadiths, basic beliefs and issues, funeral prayer and weekly spiritual gatherings. Hurry up! Limited seats available on the basis of first come first serve. For contact details, queries and registration, contact here. For registration, fill out the Google forms or visit our website.
على حبيبك
Do not miss this chance as it can revolutionize your children's Islamic knowledge and discipline too.
طاعته هو الحبيب